All right, well, thanks for checking out this video. This is I started in on this one and then had some trouble, and I started making a video of it, and it just wasn't going the way I wanted it to go. I was like, F it, I'm gonna do something different. But this is a prepared video on a Chinese Farmworks, American Farmworks Black Diamond series. It's got a bad board in it. They're out of the boards right now, so I kind of at a loss. I checked out the board here. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. Everything's checking out good, but I think this thing here might be bad, but I can't read what it is. It's an SCR, but I can't tell what it is. So we're going to do this. It's a 4-joule unit. This is a 2-joule board. But what we can do to make this thing stronger than 2 joules, we can take out all these capacitors, put bigger ones on them. So that's what we're going to do. And we also have to wire in an external capacitor. This has got a great big capacitor soldered onto it. It's actually still good. So we might be able to just, no, I can't, we'll do that one. But we're going to pull the capacitors off of this board and put bigger ones on. All the capacitors on this one are good. But we're going to put bigger ones on there to bring it up to that, close as we can get to that 4-joule range. This is an older style board. They were really good back when this board was made. This is actually like a new old style 2007 sticker on it, but it's brand new. And we're just gonna work our way up this board and pull the capacitors off. And we're just gonna put bigger ones on there, different style, but bigger ones. I'm not a huge fan of the Zariba American Farmworks stuff. They're just cheap. It comes with quality. Black Diamond stuff has only been around for like 4 years, maybe 5. But I guess what you get for paying $170 for it. If they were a little bit better quality, then maybe it'd be worth it to, save money and buy a different one. So I think we'll be able to make this work. I think we'll find out. Find out, won't we? Come on. Oh, whoops. That's a dial. Wrong solder joint, stupid. That's why I wasn't pulling out. It was the wrong solder joint. Alright, so I'm going to get some new capacitors for it. Probably use a combination of stuff on here. Let's see, because this board should fit in there. Yeah, it's gonna fit just fine, I think. Yeah, it's gonna fit right in there, I think. Yeah, board's gonna sit right down in there just fine, like it should. Let's see. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay, let's see. These capacitors aren't quite as wide, so we need to bend the legs to make it fit correctly. One. There's two. Three. I'd really like to get that one in there somewhere, but I don't think it's going to work. So put this one in there. Okay. So now we're going to solder these in. Solder, where are you? There you are, thanks. Alright, we're going to snip off the excess of these leads, or wires, or whatever you call it. Actually, I'm going to take that one, bend it over there, and then tie it onto that one. Okay, now we need to get this one over here, this old board, or the newer old board. This board's newer than this one, but it's bad. It's only about 3 to 5 years old, maybe at most. And we're going to wire this onto it, because everything, the nice thing that they do. Actually, I'm not going to say it because I don't want them to change it just because I said something, and then it messes everything up for everybody else. So never mind on that. Keep it my little secret. Okay, so this board is going to have to, it's going to either sit like this or like this. Which way we're going to do it? Which way would be better? It probably really doesn't. Honestly, should not matter. I'm gonna do it the other way. Okay, so now we need to wire this transformer on. And I also need to get a capacitor for it. Let's see, where is this one gonna go? Let's see if I can figure this out. Let's see, hopefully it'll reach. Nope, not gonna reach. Alright. Well, I'm gonna make this a little longer. There's nothing that a little wire and butt connectors can't fix. Alright, we're gonna make this, might as well make this wire longer too. It's probably gonna be too short. A little room to breathe here. Now, before I get that wire on, I need to get a capacitor that will work with this. Let's try this one. Probably have to set it right there. Capacitor will sit right there, but should not go anywhere. But we need to make the wires longer. This is out of a it's out of a Gallagher. So we're taking a Gallagher transfer capacitor, put it into a Zariba unit. 20 years from now, when this thing's been worked on 5 times, probably, capacitor's still going to be good because it's good quality. So I just need to make these, the wires are way too short on this capacitor because the way it's designed, it's not designed for this unit. So the length of the wire is way too short. But we're going to make it work. We're just going to extend the wires basically, put some spade connectors on the end of it and plug it into the board. I believe the transformer is good, I think. I ohmed it out. It seemed to have a okay reading. I just don't know what's supposed to read exactly. Not all transformers are the same when it comes to the ohms and stuff. Oh, okay. All right, let's get this capacitor fastened into place. I need to use some high-tech fasteners to hold it in place, also known as double-sided tape. All right, so we're going to put that like this. Peel that away. Put that right there. Hold it for a moment so it stays. Path or transfer sit right like that. All right, so let's see. Transformer right here. So it's going to sit, board sits like this. Like that. Capacitor, this should be long enough, so we're going to crimp on some male or female spade connectors. 16 minutes, 17 minutes almost in this video. I've probably got 10, 15 minutes already into this thing before I ever started this video. So I probably got a half hour into this thing already. All right, so capacitor. So this is going to go right there. And this one's going to go right there. Transformer. One there. One there. I'm going to cut someone's wire off. I don't need it so long. All right. It didn't need to be too much longer, but they're just too darn short to reach anything. We'll find out here in a minute if this transformer's any good. Oh, it looks like I made a bomb. Can't see that. All right, let's plug it in and hopefully I did it right. There it goes. Test the output. Let's see. 9.2 kV. So let's temporarily put the back case on there. Let's test some joules on this thing, see how many joules we got. Let's see, I need my load deal for testing joules, which is this. I need my big resistor. See how many joules we're getting out this motherfucker. Fly. All right, here we go, boss. I got it working pretty hard. .5 joules at 150 ohm load. See if I can find a different load to hook up to it. I got a 200 ohm 100 watt resistor. That's what I've got here. So it's less ohms than what this one is. It's already on there, so shouldn't drag it down as far. And I think that's what the company that makes that little tester, or at least sells, I don't think they make it, recommends to have on there. So, but I need to attach some wires to it so I can hook across there. So we're gonna put some black ass leads on there on this one. So I'm gonna solder some wires here, and then I'll get back with you in just a second. Okay, got that all soldered up. So now we're going to put a 200 ohm load on there, because on certain size units, you put too heavy of a load on it. When it comes to these big resistors, you get to a certain point that you start to make the joules go down. So they'll go up and up and up as you add more load to it with one of these. But you get to a certain point, it goes up so far, and it's going to drop, or start to drop. And I think that's what might have happened here. So we'll put a 200 ohm load, which is what this company recommends to use, but some people something bit me today. Okay. I wish I had a 500 ohm load. I had to order 500 ohm resistor, big one. I got 20 watt or 50 watt. I thought I had one around here. That's what I was looking for. I can't seem to find one. So, but I'm gonna call this one done. This one's raring to go. We're in that range for it, so we're gonna put it back together and call it done. So I'm sure the customer will fix it. We just put a little board in there, updated the board to a bit higher joules, put a new capacitor in there, transfer seems to be working fine, so I think we're good to go. So hopefully, you know, if you got any questions on this kind of stuff, get a hold of us. We work on all brands and ages of these electric fence boxes, so we'll be happy to take on one for you. All right, until next time, see you later.